Viewers, sometimes a little knowledge pays you a lot. If you know something about some disease, I'm sure and certain that you will take care of it. But today we'll talk about diabetes. A person who suffers from diabetes is called diabetic, or he is diabetic. Now, what is the actual cause behind this problem? Diabetes is due to the deficiency of the hormone insulin in the body, which causes this problem. The deficiency of the hormone insulin in the body give rise to this problem. Now, if anybody is suffering from this problem, shouldn't think that the world is over. The world is not over, and it is not so. There have been great advancement in the treatment of diabetes. There are many new latest medicines available in the market. Plus, there is great breakthrough also in the treatment of diabetes. So you need not worry about it. Now, the pancreas. It is a gland that is located behind the stomach. And when this pancreas it doesn't produce the hormone insulin properly, then this problem, which is diabetes, occurs. So you got to take care of this thing. You've got to take care of the body, which is a gifted thing and is very precious from the Almighty. Allah has bestowed upon you His blessings. So, what you need to do in this case is avoid sugary drinks, sweets, etc. Eat a balanced diet, and I'm sure and I pray that you remain healthy throughout your life, and you will. God willing, everything will be alright. So please do not worry about if you are suffering from this problem. So this was a brief introduction about diabetes, why it occurs, what is the cause. I've told you both the things in a short video. Later sometimes I will go into detail. So that's all for this time. Until next time, till we meet again, it's bye-bye.